Hey everyone, very good evening to all. Hi Sagar. Hi Gaurav. Hi Prasiddhi. Hello. Hello Alok. How are you guys? So today we are talking about affiliate marketing. Today we are talking about deeply about the things, the new initiatives. So today I'm live with Gaurav Godi. Hi Hardik, how are you?
Hi Andy, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, Gaurav. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
We'll wait for a couple of minutes, more people to join.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Abbas. Abbas, not Abbas. Abbas. Okay. Hello. Yeah, guys, if anybody have any questions you may ask about affiliate marketing, me and Gaurav will answer you. Okay.
Yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask us.
It's a time to meet with Dakshan Technology. What is that? I don't have any idea about it.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you, Hardik? I'm good, Hardik. So, guys, if you are having any questions related to affiliate marketing, please let me know how to create engagement on profile. All right. Yes, Rahul. So, for engagement, you have to first you have to work more and more on personal branding. Okay, first of all, first you have to learn, you have to see the entire course. Okay, you have to learn each and everything very deeply. You have to follow the system of the business, you have to follow the process of the business. Okay, write your strong content, make a good relationship with the team members who are already working in our team. Okay, and third thing, always give appreciation to your team members or a people who are in our business. Okay, if you will give appreciation to them, they will also give you the appreciation. So in this way engagement will come. See, I will tell you my experience, how why I am getting so much of followers, why I am getting so much of engagement. Because I always found, whenever I find a good work, somebody is doing a great work, somebody is doing a good work, I always appreciate their work. Okay, so in this way, if you will appreciate, they will give you a comment as well when you will do a great work. So this is how the engagement will increase. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kuldev, is
And
what is
I wanna
your
add something.
skincare routine, Gaurav sir? Your skin is so
Yeah.
beautiful.
And here I wanna add something like you can also engage with your followers whom you are not following, because if they are putting good content, then you can engage with their content also. then how they gonna see your comments and they gonna reply back and they also gonna engage with your content.
Yes. Yes. So like you also have to get engaged with their work as well. Like either it's in Facebook or either it's in Instagram. Okay. So definitely it will help you a lot. All right. So hi, succeed with Vineet. Hi, Sushmita.
And
All right.
most
If anybody have any questions, please let us know.
and one thing, like, you have to follow big influencers and creators and engage with their posts. Like, you can save post notifications and engage with their post.
100%,
Yes.
100%.
And you have to give genuine comment, like a good comment, eye-catching comment, so that other people may like your comment and visit your profile in this way and see how you are
Yeah.
doing.
Okay, Rahul, digital Rahul, tell me you are working in which platform? Digital Rahul, you are working in which platform? How do you take care of beard? It is so glamorous looking. I'm like, oh Kuldeep, please come on, let's talk about business. Okay, it would be pleasure if we will share our business ideas to you people.
Yeah, so basically this live I'm going to tell about how to start affiliate marketing. So there are many different ways to start affiliate marketing. Like, you can do Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and for that you have to create, and like, you need to know the knowledge of content writing and blogging also.
Hi
For
Sayak,
that
how are you? It's
you need
glad
to.
you to be here.
Hi, Sayak sir. Yeah, so you need to purchase a domain, then hosting, and then in the beginning you need to purchase domain and you need to do hosting. Then you can put on your content there, and you can put your blogs there, and from there you can start affiliate marketing. And basically, if you gonna grab like easy work, then you can do Amazon affiliate. I was doing Amazon affiliate for I guess 2 months, and
Yeah,
it's easy.
yes. Kuldeep, you said is investing in Bitcoin is good. So, bro, a long time back, I have heard that Bitcoin is banned in India. And second thing, I don't have much idea about Bitcoin. Okay, so like Gaurav, do you have any idea about Bitcoin?
Yeah, I have seen recent news article where they're showing that government is going to put some conditions on Bitcoin, like they are going to put some condition on transaction on Bitcoins. So yeah, if you have
Okay.
knowledge about trading, like, trading is very hard. One of my friend is doing trading. He's my college friend, college mate, classmate.
Okay. So Kuldeep, you
Yeah.
can keep in touch with the Gaurav. He will tell you more on details about it. Okay. And I always believe that always look for the multiple ways, always look for the multiple sources of income. Okay. Because I am doing the same, because I'm doing the multiple businesses, I'm doing the multiple affiliates, I'm making money from all the platforms. Okay. I'm doing the traditional business, I'm doing the online business, and I'm very happy that I am giving my complete time in all the like in all the businesses. Okay, so you have to work very passionately. You have to find your own way. You have to make a schedule. Okay, you have to make a schedule, and you have to like it's okay, like कभी कभी हम लोगों का काम रह जाता है. It doesn't matter अगर थोड़ा timings आगे पीछे एक आध दिन आगे पीछे होते हैं, but I always believe that focus in your work. Okay, and this is not a journey of a day, it's a journey of lifetime. So keep learning, keep hustling, and I always say work 18 to 20 hours. Okay, I always work 18 to 20 hours. Second thing, 8 hours work will not help you for the life. Okay, you can't be a millionaire if you will work only 8 hours. Okay, work like 18 to 20 hours. Okay, take a sound sleep of like 5 to 6 hours. It's enough 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Okay, and be a passionate. Take a diary, write your goals. Okay, make a short term goals, make a long term goals. I have taken one internal training in my internal training. I have taken hope Gaurav, you remember I have taken about the vision of the life. Okay, you
Yeah.
always have a vision in your life. Like what is your short term and long term? What are your vision for this one year, and what is your vision for the next 5 year? Okay, so if you will set your, if you will have your mindset that you have to do this of the things in a limited period of time, it will definitely work. Okay, and second thing, stop doing socializing. Okay, I never meet any of my friends. Okay, I do have friends, but I never give them time. Okay, because I have many time I have committed, but I have not met because I don't get time for it. Even I don't get time for my husband as well. Lot of the time, okay, he make a plan. Okay, he make a plan. He makes a travel trip for me. Okay, because before he was telling me कि like are we going, I said I'm not coming, but now today like अभी तो वो ऐसे बोलते हैं we are going, हम जा रहे हैं. I'm not asking you anything, you are coming, that's it. Okay, so if you will have, if you are very focused with your work, nobody is going to disturb you. Stop socializing or keep your friend in such a way that you will learn something new from them. Okay, I always work with the like-minded people. Okay, if you will work with the like-minded people, your mentality will develop like them. Okay, and learn from everybody. Okay, learn from everybody, grasp, see, check, observe how they are doing, and replicate the same, and add some your own strategies in it. Okay, yes. Any questions? If anybody have, please let us
Like
know.
you guys are working side gig or full time affiliate online business. So I am working as a side gig for now, but in future I'm gonna work full time. And I was telling like about you can basically you can start with Amazon affiliates, and then you can, if you wanna grow some, like you have to earn some more money in dollars, then you can promote ClickBank products, but there you have to select a single niche. Like basically in start, select single niche and work with that. And if
Yes,
you like, if you generate more revenue in 3 to 4 months, then you can promote multiple niche products. And for the beginners, you have to start with the low ticket products, like from $19 to $50. Then you can jump from low ticket. If you get revenue from that, then you can jump to mid ticket products.
yes.
Yeah.
So I believe always keep a vision for the high tickets, because what I believe, sorry, the kind of hard work we are doing. Okay, the kind of hard work if we are doing for a small ticket, so why not for the big ticket? Okay, we have only time of 24 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, we work for 16 to 80 hours. Okay, if you are working consistently 16 to 80 hours for a small product, then why not for the big tickets? Okay, why not you can use your skill for the big ticket? Okay,
Yeah. In final further stage, you can jump for big high ticket products like $1,000, which are giving
yes,
thousand.
$500, $1,000. Yeah, we have few people in our yes, ClickBank is there. Yeah, ClickBank is there. JVZoo is there. Warrior Plus is there.
Yeah.
Okay, now it becomes very easy to take approval. Once you start with it, you have to take the approval from the company, like whose product you are promoting. You have to take the approval. You have to use the words in such a way so that they will approve you. Okay, so find the different ways to make money online. Okay, yes. If anybody have any question, you can
You
ask
will
your
ask me
questions.
like any example of niches. So here I'm gonna give example like you can choose health niche, health and fitness niche. But I was talking to one of my friends on Facebook. She was from America, I guess. So she says relationship needs are popular these days.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
relationship niches are very popular these days. And I was good to know like we have good conversation. And yesterday I was attending Chejan Bhadwa's live, and there
हाँ.
they mentioned that there was an Indian television series. I don't remember the name, but their lady was promoting relationship. Like she was an affiliate for relationship company, and she was like picking up the photo of guy and telling the people like this guy has this type of quality and he's handsome and rich guy. So she was doing affiliate marketing for that company.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, sir, this kind of things, I don't know it happens in India or not, but it
Yeah,
is very common over there.
yeah, but the
Yeah.
television series on
Hi,
Netflix
Priyanka. How
is
are you?
Indian television series, but that series is Indian based. I just searched about that series.
Okay, okay. Yeah. If somebody have any questions related to affiliate marketing, please, please, please let us know. We are here to address you. We are here to answer you. Okay. Hi, Debojit. How are you, bro?
Hi, Devojit. And here I'm gonna add like if we learn the selling skills which we got to know in affiliate marketing, then we can do affiliate for local shop also, local shop owners or local showrooms also. Like we can go there and tell them like I like to affiliate your product, how much commission you are giving me, something like that, and we can also do affiliate for them.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, for that we have to create website. Like one of my friend, he's from Punjab and he has his own website and he's telling that give me customer. Like you can be my affiliate. Means one of my friend, college friend, he has a local showroom and then I connect them both. And whenever like the friend from Punjab, he posted on his website and order get placed, I got commission.
Hi, Abhay. How are you? Okay. So, like if anybody have any queries related with affiliate marketing, you can ask or we will share you some more knowledge about the global business opportunity which we have, and this opportunity is only for this month. Okay, because today the things which we are doing, it's it's will change your life because um, like I'm working for this from last 10 days. Okay, and I have attended lot of videos, I have attended lot of webinars, even I have taken one of the webinar. Okay, and I come to know about it that it is one of the biggest platform in the world. Okay, I will tell you some in Hindi as well. uh, कि अगर आप यहाँ पे एक बार अपना वे स्टार्ट कर देंगे तो आप एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने वाले हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको सारे डिजिटल टूल्स, जितने भी डिजिटल टूल्स है, यू विल गेट इन अ सिंगल विंडो. You will get all the digital tools in a single window. If you are using the Zoom meeting, if you are using the Canva, if you are doing the email marketing, if you are doing chatbot, if you are doing autoresponder, everything is automated. Okay. Second thing, here you will get the people which are working here, the like-minded people are here. Okay, they are having a big vision in their life. All right. So what I believe, I always love to work with the like-minded people. Okay, so I have seen a lot of people, they are doing so well, they are working so aggressively, so massively for their business growth. Okay, we all are here affiliators, okay, and we all are working on multiple affiliates, and how you can manage all the things at a time. Okay, see, as everybody know, I'm a founder of a company as well. I'm giving all of my time to all my work. ओके ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि मेरा ये काम हो रहा है वो काम नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग. आई एम डूइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू माई टाइमिंग. समटाइम्स आई हैव टू do the work according to the client's requirement as well. If they have priority, so I keep my work aside and first I attend them. So this is how you also have to do when you are doing a multiple businesses or a multiple affiliates. Okay, I have seen many of the people, they are saying that, ma'am, it becomes very difficult when we go for the multiple affiliates. I said it's not at all happened. You can easily promote in a very proper way. See what happens, you have a business WhatsApp. Okay, people will come to you, they will give you their introduction. Okay, if they will tell you that we have to start with the affiliate marketing, so we have to pitch them for the affiliate marketing. And if they are asking you for, take the example on passive, so you have to describe them about the on passive, connect them on call. I always connect on call with my leads because because I make a good relationship with them. Okay, and I can more on explain them better business on call, not in chat. I can't do a much chatting on call. I always take a call and explain them in a good way. Yes. So this is how, yes. So this is how you also have to do, and it is very easy. It is very easy to promote the multiple affiliates. Yes.
Kuldeep is asking like how to manage personal life and business, something like that.
Gaurav, answer him.
I don't have any experience. I'm unmarried and single. Yeah, but you can manage that. Yeah, it's easy to manage. Like I have seen my friends post on FB, they are married, and recently I saw a post that his kid became 1 year and he's a pro affiliate marketer, and he gave his screenshot of income, like he earned $1,000 commissions and celebrating his kid's first birthday anniversary. So he says that work from anywhere and side by side celebrate commission and celebrate party anniversary, and boom, you get commissions.
Hi, Jayant.
So that's how you can manage your kids and your marital life and side doing business, because it's a work from anywhere business. You can do anytime, anywhere, no time restrictions, no place restrictions. So you can do from anywhere, anytime, whatever time you would like to do, in whatever hours you would like to do.
Yes. Okay. Any other questions?
Yeah, so now I was talking about affiliate. Then, as you already told that about that platform, so we need funnels to build our audience. Like we have to do email marketing, because affiliate marketing, email marketing is already required. Email marketing is great asset to build your audience. So for that we need to create landing page, collect emails, and we need all these tools. Yeah.
Yes, we people work on weekends as well. We work on Saturday, Sundays. Okay, because I have seen how many of the people they are working on Sundays, and then Gaurav is working on Sundays as well. Yes,
Yeah.
we
But
work
it's time.
24/7, 24/7.
But it's time freedom business. Like if you wanna take off, then you can take off and enjoy with your friends. You can do
I
relaxing
have
and side by side.
I
You
have
can also
seen
do
I have seen one infographic of Dan Locke. He was saying that
yeah.
I have not taken a single day leave in my first 5 years of career. Okay, so he not met any of his friends. He had not met anybody. He was totally focused on his work, and he has not taken a single day break. He continuously worked 5 years. Yes.
That's very amazing.
Yeah.
And here I wanna add, like you can also do side hustle by relaxing with your friends or chilling somewhere out. Yeah, Dan is also doing. He's also doing business while driving. Can you imagine, ma'am? I have seen his
Oh,
live. He was driving his
yes.
car and
Yes. He's
he's also,
making video. You're talking about Dan Locke, right?
no, Dan Thomas.
Okay, no, okay, all right.
He was
That dedication
while
going to have
explaining
you
about his
somewhere
business.
big. Yes, dedication is always required. Okay, 100. You have to give your 100% dedication for like wherever you are.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Dedication.
Yesterday I have shared a video you have seen, like wake up early in the morning, 3 or 4 in the morning, okay, and make your schedule. And are you there? I'm audible to you,
Yeah.
clear? Gaurav? All right. So I'm saying yesterday I have shared one video on group, like how you have to wake up early in the morning, and you have to work hard. But what if we sleep late night? Yes, even I sleep late night. I work the whole night, okay, and I I sleep 4 a.m., 5 a.m. sometimes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me also.
Like,
It's
yeah,
trying
like
to
some people are night person. Yes, we all are night hustlers. Hi, Mondi. Hi, after a long time. How to handle overthinking? Okay,
not able
Vivek
to sleep.
Godane, you said how to handle overthinking. See what happened, Vivek. Always, what you just do the things. Okay, you just do the thing. आप चीजें करते चले जाओ. आप ये मत सोचो कि रिजल्ट क्या मिलने वाला है. ओवर थिंकिंग पे मत जाइए. See, I will tell you my example. My mother-in-law, whenever she will do any kind of work, रिचा मुझे ये करना है, रिचा मुझे वो करना है, अरे रिचा मेरा ये काम रह गया, अरे रिचा मेरा वो काम रह गया, अरे रिचा मुझे बाहर जाना था, अरे रिचा मेरा ये रह गया. तो वो क्या होता है, ओवर थिंकिंग हो जाती है. लेकिन अगर हम लोग साइलेंट लेके बस अगर काम करते चले गए ना, तो पता नहीं चलता है. ओवर थिंकिंग, कीप योर ओवर थिंकिंग असाइड and do your work. Whatever is in your mind, just do it step by step. वो होते चला जाएगा. Okay.
If you're
Yes.
doing overthinking, then you're gonna do overthinking and whole night.
Yes, and if you will do see what happen if you will overthink. So अगर आप ज्यादा सोचते रहोगे ना, तो ना ये चीज सही तरीके से हो पाएगी, ना वो चीज सही तरीके से हो पाएगी. क्योंकि क्या होता है, हम जब काम करते हैं ना, तो we have multiple options in our mind, right? So when we have multiple option in our mind, so we can't do anything all that at a time. So just do a thing step by step. First, take one work, finish it completely, and then go ahead with the another one. Okay, I hope Vivek this will help you. Yes. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I have seen lot of people today. So you can connect with me on in our team as well. You just connect us on WhatsApp. Okay, I will add you in a team. Okay, we take free trainings. Okay, we take free training so that I will add you in group as well. Okay, I have shared my
People
number.
asking like just
Hi, Amit.
yeah, but if you become successful, I want to answer this like if you got successful, but people got successful if they take care about their employees and the people who are working on
100%.
yeah. So definitely, if you achieve success higher level, then you
Yes,
have to take care of
yes,
your
yes,
employees
yes,
that
yes. I'm 100%
are
agree with you. Even I always says whatever I am today, whatever I am today, I'm only because of my team members. My biggest asset is my team members. People says the rooster person. He says the biggest asset is email marketing, but for me, my biggest asset is my team members. Okay, whatever
yeah.
I am today, it is because of my team member. Thanks to my all the followers, thanks to my all the well wishers, and like all my team members, that they always believe in my work. Okay, whatever the thoughts, ideas I share with them, they always appreciate my work, and their appreciation makes me so strong, so that I'm creating my own versions. Okay, so when I'm creating my own versions, I'm delivering the new knowledge to them. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And sharing is caring. Like team members share knowledge, then we all grow.
Yes, yes, 100%. And I don't know how many of you have seen or not. I have shared one video on a group that yeah, the correct leader is that leader who always understand the like the correct leader is that जो अपने डाउनलाइंस को समझता है, ठीक है, जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को समझता है, अगर वो कोई मिस्टेक करते हैं तो उन्हें सही गाइडेंस देता है. So I always believe that your team member is your biggest asset. Okay. Yes. Hi
Yeah.
Deepak, how are you, bro?
The leader who understand the necessity of his downlines or team members or necessity for his
Yes.
employees.
Okay, because of your team member, because of your downlines, you always grow. Okay, and whenever they require any of your help, you have to always available from them. Okay, I have many of my downlines. Whenever they contact me in a morning, night, late night, okay, I always provide value to them. I always give solution to them. Yes. Okay. How to create a leisure life focused without getting influencer by distracting? Is there is some kind of technique or just the state of mind influenced?
Yeah, so basically, for this, like, there is no some technique like you have to provide value, continuous value to your
Yes.
audience. From that,
Yes.
you're gonna grow community like real followers. And then after you're gonna become a great influencer.
Yes, definitely. Okay. If somebody have any questions, you may ask. Deepak, if you have any question, you can ask. Any inquiry, if you have any questions, I will answer you. Hi, Jivnesh. How are you, Jivnesh? How are you, bro? If anybody have any question, you can ask. Okay, so guys, digital marketing strategy. Okay. First of all, if you're like, see here, we are doing the digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay. We are having a product. You have to do the sales and promotion. First, you have to understand the product, what product it is. You have to go through with the videos. Okay. You have to implement that. Okay. Once you will start implementing, okay, you have to do the promotions. Okay, when you will do the promotion, you have to work on yourself first. Okay, and we are here to give you the correct guidance how you have to do the things in a correct way. You have to follow the process of the business the way we are doing. Okay, like you have to do the content writing. Okay, you have to work on your personal branding. We will provide you the topics, like I will provide you the topics for the content writing and video making as well. Okay, I will tell you about what is the uh, what is how video marketing is very important. Okay, how personal branding is very important, and what is attraction marketing. Okay, here you will learn how you have to sales and promote any business, or how you have to sales or promote any product or service throughout the world. Okay, and once you will start with the digital marketing, the whole world is open for you. Okay, you can share your knowledge, you can share your skills to anybody through this program. Okay, so this is, I have give you a short introduction. Okay, so lot of things you will come to know. Okay, and mindset is required. If you have a correct mindset to do a business in a digital platform, so you, nobody going to stop you. Okay, and you will go in a next level. So lot of things are there. Okay, so you have to learn and implement and make money online through that. Okay, hope you understand, Deepak. Okay, and if you have any query, you can contact me personally. I will share you more details.
Yeah, absolutely. And I was attending my friend Monish and Mayor Qureshi's live just before this live, and there he says that you have to be correct mindset and consistency matters a lot. Consistency and hard work. Like you, some people are asking that we have started YouTube. What are the suggestions how we can grow? Then start creating content. Not like the
Yes, start.
mindset to make money from here, but the mindset to provide value to your
Yes,
audience.
yes. No, yes, that is completely true. Whenever you are providing values to the people, so only people will connect to you. Hey,
Yeah.
Vishal, how are you, Vishal? Being entrepreneur. Okay, so you have to provide a value to the people in a correct way. Not only that make money online 40,000 to 50,000 in a month. No, it is not a correct way. You have to do the proper
Yeah.
promotions. Okay, promotion is very important. The valuable promotion is very important. Once you will start delivering values to the people, uh, do the promotion in such a way that their mindset will change. Okay, your promotion in such a way that कोई मैसेज मिलेगा उनको जहां से. Okay, if they will find some message, if they will find any kind of value, so only they will learn from you. Okay, yes, I am understanding this digital marketing. Yes, Deepak, you are understanding this digital marketing, but you will enjoy this digital marketing more when you will start implementing. Okay, like we people are doing this digital marketing and affiliate marketing, but we more on enjoy when we implement. Okay, take the example. Right now, I am taking a live session. Okay, so this is how I'm enjoying a lot. Okay, and once you will start enjoying your work, so like once you will start enjoying your work, so people will 100% get the values. And when people will get the values through your work, you will get so much of satisfaction, and satisfaction is very important for me. ओके इफ यू लाइक जब तक आपको कोई काम के लिए सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा ना, आपको वो काम करने में मजा ही नहीं आएगा, ऐसा है।
Yeah.
तो
If
आप
you
काम
enjoy
इस
your work,
तरीके से करिए कि हाँ, कि आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल सके। यस
yeah, if you enjoy your work, then you're gonna do with passion and dedication that you're gonna put your
यस
everything in that work, and you're gonna provide more and more value to your audience, and
यस
definitely
यस
good results. Good outcome.
या एनी क्वेश्चन दीपक, और कुछ पूछना है? अभी तो बहुत कुछ सीखने वाले हो आप, अभी तो बहुत कुछ अभी और हमने सीखे हैं, और अभी और बहुत कुछ आने वाला भी है। तो लाइक टुडे आई हैव पोस्टेड दैट आई एम कमिंग सून विथ more on new version, more on new strategies, more on new technologies. अभी बहुत कुछ अभी आने वाला है, ठीक है? Stay tuned with it and बहुत सी नई नई स्ट्रैटेजीज आपको सीखने मिलेगी। यस I think there is some like network issue from Gaurav's side. Okay. Is anybody have any questions? You can ask. I'm here to answer you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, there must be some network issue.
Yeah. Okay. Does anybody have any questions? You can ask. Okay, you can ask any related with anything. Okay, related with lead generation, related with sales closing, conversion. Okay.
So, any of question you want to ask?
No questions? So guys, if anybody have any questions related to affiliate marketing, okay, or related with on passive, you can stay connected with me, or you can stay connected with Gaurav. We will give you the correct guidance. And here I am sharing my number. Gaurav, you also share your number to the people so that they will connect with you. Okay, so this is, we are sharing our WhatsApp number. You just connect with me, or you can connect with the Gaurav. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
my number is in link in my bio. From there you can got my WhatsApp number.
Okay, so there is no question.
Question like multi-level
Okay, so
leader or what it? Yeah, my number you can get from link in my bio. There is my number.
voice is not available. My voice is clear. There is clear network from my side, Deepak. Gaurav, kindly post your number as well. Yeah, sure, Deepak. I will contact you. Yes, Deepak, I will contact you.
And from there you can get details.
Yes, definitely. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And if anybody have any queries, any business questions, you just stay connected with me on the Richa Mission Millionaire, Okay, and there is a link of Facebook also in my bio, or you can message me on Instagram, or you can connect me on WhatsApp as well. Okay, so thank you so much, guys.
Yeah,
Gaurav, Kuldev is telling you continuously to share your number. It would be better if you will share your number. Okay,
yeah, ma'am.
voice नहीं आ रही है.
He's my friend actually.
Okay, okay. So you just contact him personally. Okay, so thank you so much, Gaurav, for coming here, and it was a great time with you, and it's a great time with everyone. Okay, yes,
Yeah,
Deepak
you
sir,
invited me.
Deepak, I will connect you on call. Okay, yes. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye.